Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's analyze the price chart of Uniswap, or the so-called decentralized exchange based on Ethereum blockchain. The current price is $9.53. This is the monthly chart. I want to say that to some extent we're really very familiar with the price chart of Uniswap in the different time frames. Probably once a month I analyze the price chart of Uniswap, and to be honest, nothing has changed significantly since our last analysis of Uniswap. But let's have a look at it once again to make sure that everything remains in place and nothing has changed. So this is the monthly chart. Let me remind you that in the last half of 2020 and the first couple of months of 2021, the price skyrocketed. Then in May, the volatility increased and the price started to decline. There was a rebound in the second half of the year of 2020, but in September and in October, the price started to draw candlesticks with descending local highs, and to be honest, since then there has been a sequence of candlesticks, mainly bearish ones, with descending local highs and descending local lows. So this is a bearish signal. Of course, this is the current candlestick for the month of March. It may change till the end of the month. We have 10 more days, let's say. But at the moment, it has a local high below the previous one and a local low, let's say, at the level of the previous one. So this is a small consolidation. And I want to highlight that here we had a mid-size, let's say, bearish candlesticks, once again with descending maximums and descending minimums. So that was a bearish signal. But at the moment, the last candlesticks are relatively small. And this is a signal that the market is, to some extent, the market is receiving some kind of support, or I would say the bearish pressure is diminishing. I don't want to say that this is a bullish signal. I just want to highlight that the small candlesticks here, they indicate that the bearish pressure is diminishing. This is according to the monthly chart. Now let's check the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. This is the solid price increase followed by a deep correction. Then there was relatively volatile period. The price once again rebounded in the second half or in the late summer of 2021, and then the price started to decline. Here we see small candlesticks or consolidation, and after that the correction started, and since then there has been mainly a sequence of bearish candlesticks with descending maximums and descending minimums. Of course, within this part of the chart there was some kind of rebound, but it's obvious that this rebound was, let's say, not enough to revert the price decline. This is the current candlestick. To some extent it's a small bullish signal, let's say, because this candlestick has a bullish body. Also it has already a local high below above the previous one. So this is some small bullish signal, but to be honest, I don't think that it's a reliable bullish signal. It's just some kind of consolidation, or I would say that it's some kind of initial signal that the bearish pressure is diminishing according to the weekly chart. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart. We have 3 moving averages. Let's start step by step. This is the first one, or this is the 1 month or 30-day moving average. The price has dropped below the 1 month or 30-day moving average in the middle of November. Then in the last days of December, a solid price increase took place, or rebound. The price was able to surpass the 30-day moving average, but after that in January the price dropped below the 1 month moving average, and since then I would say that the price has been once again below the 1 month moving average. Interestingly, at the moment the price is trying to surpass the 30-day moving average, so this is a small bullish signal. I don't want to say that this is let's say signal indicating that the bullish trend is resuming. It is just a small bullish signal indicating that the price is receiving support here and it is testing the 30-day moving average. Next, let's have a look at the 1 quarter or 90-day moving average. The price has dropped below this moving average in the middle of November as well. Since then, the price has been below this moving average, so I consider this as a bearish signal. And if we add the 1-year moving average or the 360 days moving average, in the middle of November, the price dropped below the 1-year moving average, and since then the price has been below this 1-year moving average as well. So in my view, this is another bearish signal. Of course, we may witness some rebounds, but I would say that the bearish sentiment is changing to a bullish one only if I see the price above all these 3 moving averages, like here, for example, and or even like here. For me, this is a bearish, clear bearish, let's say, pressure. Also, we have a bearish distribution of the moving averages. So below is the 30-day moving average, then is the 90-day moving average, then is the 360 days moving average. So this is a clear bearish, let's say, pressure. And of course, there are people who buy or accumulate some cryptocurrency, let's say in particular Uniswap. They have completely different approach. Here we talk about trading, about let's say analyzing the price chart and applying technical analysis. I don't talk about accumulating or buying some asset and hodling it and having completely different, let's say, long-run strategy. I talk about trading here. So let me be clear, this is just a technical analysis applicable to active trading in the crypto market. Next, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart. Last time when we talk about the price chart of Uniswap in the 4-hour chart, we talk about this descending channel or downtrend. The price exited this descending channel, however, unsuccessfully because it was not able to resume or to surpass the previous local highs. Now we see that the price is declining once again. Probably we have another descending channel. The only thing I can mention at the moment is that this descending channel is less bearish than this one because the slope is changing. It is becoming less bearish. So let's say this is a small positive signal. But as long as we see descending channels or downtrends in the 4-hour chart, I prefer to stay away from the market because this is not the right moment, in my view, to enter the market. I would like to see an ascending channel or a sequence of ascending local highs and ascending local lows in order to start looking for a buy opportunity. So if we have something like this, let's say in the price chart, definitely this will be a positive, let's say, initial signal, and then I may start looking for some buy signals. But at the moment, as long as once again we have this descending channels or downtrends or a sequence of lower highs and lower lows, I prefer to stay away from the market. So that's it for today, fellas. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your point of view on the price chart of Uniswap as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.